Good day friends, how are you? Today we'll make cabbage with the potato fried. So we will cut the potato. Don't cut very thin or very thick also. Just normal size. You can take 3 to 400 grams of potato. Then we take one carrot and we grate it. Put in another pan. Now we take one onion and cut in little big thick pieces, not very thin. Now we'll take the cabbage and we cut it. 3 to 400 gram is more than enough. We take a one pan. We put oil inside. And in this oil we will add the onions. We'll fry the onions till become little soft. No need to make them dark brown or brown. So you can see if they have been light brown. Now we add the carrots inside. Just fry them a little. Add a half teaspoon, less than a half teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Almost half teaspoon of black pepper. We fry them for a little. Then we will add the cabbage inside. We fry the cabbage for some time together till it become little soft. So you can see they become little soft. It's up to your choice how much soft you want to make. So you can stop at that moment. So now we'll take out this in other pan. In the same pan we will add some oil. And we will add the this potato inside. Just little mixing, and we will keep it for some time it covered. You can see after maybe 3 to 4 minutes become little soft. Just change the side and let them be cooked again, covered. Now you can see our potatoes are ready. Now you can add the this other cabbage and carrots inside. We just mix them little. Add soya sauce, almost half 1 tablespoon. We fry it a little, 2 to 3 minutes only, and you can see your food is ready. We just take out in another pan. So you can see your tasty fried potato with cabbage is ready to eat. Enjoy the meal. Thank you.